Hello, welcome friends. This is your friend Dave. Welcome to my channel, Photometric. This channel is all about photography, taking a photograph in different locations and as well as editing those in the post processing, be it on your laptop or be it on your mobile device, even in your tab also. So, in today's video, we will have a journey in a misty morning to photograph a bridge, isolated bridge. So let's be a part of it. Let's be a part of my photography journey. Without further delay, let's roll the ball. Hi, good morning, friends. Today, morning, it's not morning actually, it's right around 9 a.m. So, a little bit of late actually, but today I came here to the riverside. Actually, the thing is that the condition, the condition is really awesome. It's all around foggy. It's a lot of fog, mist. Yo, the feeling is thrilling. Actually, let me give you the overview of the situation right now. So here I am, and it is the river. I'm shooting this particular, this particular. You may call it a jetty actually. I have shot it before, maybe I think in the summer season, in the rain also. But today I came here for this particular shot. What in my previous shot, what actually disturbed me is that the riverside, the river has another side. Okay, so that is a distracting background for any kind of image, in any kind of jetty image. So in this mystic and foggy condition, actually the uh, background means the other side of rivers is just disappeared. So it's a kind of uh, feelings that it's all alone, the jetty is all alone, there is nothing in behind it. So I want to capture this mood, so I successfully captured it. uh, I hope that in the post processing I will get a decent image. And let me give you one to two tips about this kind of foggy mystic photography, landscape photography, what I understood from my learning lessons. So let me focus to my camera right now. So I'm using a 80D body. So as you can see, so this is my composition. So what was happening is that whenever I tried to focus, my lens is Sigma 70 to 70 mm. So whenever I wanted to autofocus it, so the autofocus is not happening actually. The autofocus is always in this branch, in this right hand side branch, tree branch. But the jetty was never in focus, it was losing focus. So I switched to manual, and then I successfully autofocus it, successfully manual focus it. So I think in this misty condition, when you want to shoot something, just recheck it, whether it is your subject that you want to shoot is, although your lens is in autofocus, body is in autofocus, but make sure that subject is actually in focus. And you can zoom it, you can take this plus button of this camera body, and you can just verify your zoom, is it working well or not. So likewise, if you press this, now it goes on. As you can see, this is plus, and this is the maximum zoom I can have right now with my body. So I can verify it whether it is zoomed rightly or not. And I found that it was not actually in focus, the GT was not actually focused. So I switched to my manual focus, and I adjusted my focus, then I get a good shot, decent shot. And another thing that I want to emphasize, I want to tell you over here is this, that look at my camera screen, LCD screen. Okay, now if I am taking a shot, let's say I'm pressing the shutter. Now you can see the light meter. Just see the light meter. Light meter is indicating that I am overexposing. Okay, the light is too much. But in this foggy and misting condition, never trust your light meter. The light meter will give you a false reading. Why the light meter is giving you a false reading? It's not a false reading, but depending upon image, it is a false reading. So in another video I will tell you why it is giving you the false reading. Always trust your best friend, the histogram. It is just over here, as you can see. It is just over here in the histogram. The histogram saying is telling me that my image is properly exposed. So always try to be, try to, work on those histograms, not to the light meters in this particular misty condition. So much for now. I will wait for another few moments over here. I will take couple of more photograph in this misty condition. I want to explore it. Let's say everything works fine. I will have a good image. I can show you. And another thing is that as you can see, this is a misty condition, and this is a terrible condition actually. So people generally do not get out in this kind of condition, but landscape photography really works well in this kind of misty condition, or you can call it a drastic condition where people dare to go out. Actually, photography is something that people want to see that they have never seen before. So if you want to show them those sorts, so you need to go out when others dare to go out, in a condition, in a place. That's why people will love your photographs, and because they have never seen and never thought of these conditions, these photographs. Okay, let's see what we can do in the post processing. Thank you friends for staying so long watching my video. Hope you like the video, and if you really like it, then obviously put up the thumbs on it. And if you like my channel, then please do subscribe.